Kaspa is the future of the cryptocurrencies market, and in this video I'm going to be commenting more on that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be talking about Kaspa, and I'm going to be covering some of the latest news regarding the project. So make sure you guys watch this entire video. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious profits while trading crypto, sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, as you can see, just yesterday we had closed two trades with a profit of about 128% on the first trade, while profits of about 430% on the second one. This is what we do time and again in my trade signal group. And if you guys want to take advantage of this for yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to Kaspa and let me show you some of the latest news regarding the project. Now guys, Kaspa is working on a proof of work mechanism, and basically whenever a cryptocurrency is working on a proof of work mechanism, you can basically mine that particular cryptocurrency. Now people used to mine Bitcoin and they still do. People used to mine Ethereum, which they cannot right now because Ethereum has shifted to a proof of stake platform. But guys, right now Kaspa is in a stage where you can mine Kaspa with the help of Kaspa miners, and Kaspa is still working on a proof of work blockchain. So guys, right over here we have the Bitcoin news saying despite each Kaspa mining rig costing about 49,800, Bitmain sold out of the first batch and announced another batch would be available soon. So guys, this just shows you that the interest in Kaspa mining is skyrocketing, and when miners are investing into mining rigs which are going about like at a price of about $50,000. Now keep in mind guys, $50,000 for a mining rig is really huge. I mean, you can get a mining rig or say a really good decent mining rig for a price of about 2,000 to about $2,500. So for a mining rig to go to about like price of about $50,000, that just shows you the demand which these machines have right now. And a lot of people want to mine Kaspa, which is really good to see for the longer term outlook. Now, if we go over to Bitmain on their official Instagram handle or say on their official Twitter handle, you can see that they have just tweeted out that second batch of the Antminers KS3 shipped today. And you can also check out some of their machines from right over here. Their Casper mine is going to be coming in really soon. It's going to be available for a price of about 3,150 per terahash after coupons, 30% down payments, 10% coupon back. So make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible if you guys are interested in Casper miners in any shape or form. Now, another thing which I want to show you is going to be Kaspa's hash rate, which has been going towards the moon for the longest time now. Now, if we check out the weekly Kaspa hash rate, you can see that the hash rate is looking pretty decent, and we are getting up and up every single day. As of right now, we are at a scale of about 17.71, which is really good to see. If we check out the monthly chart, you can see that Kaspa has just been skyrocketing. It has almost done about a 6x on its hash rate, which is really good to see. And all year if you check out, you can see Kaspa has easily done a 20x if I'm not wrong from its last year starting, which is really good to see. Now, another news which I want to cover is going to be from Cinderella, and she says if you think Kaspa already had its run. Now, this is something which a lot of people are saying, that Kaspa has already got its bull run, and it is not going to be pumping anytime soon, and it's not going to be getting to any sort of higher price points. However guys, this is not really the case, because simply because it's largely outperformed the market. You have not been here long enough. So guys, whenever a really good project drops, or whenever a big meme project drops, we see a lot of money pouring into that particular project. Now, Casper is not a meme project, therefore it comes into the category of a really good project which hasn't been in the market for long enough, and whenever there's a project like that, people always buy up that project, and this is what has been happening with Kaspa for the longest time now. Bear market performance is irrelevant when fresh liquidity pours into the markets during a bull run. So guys, bull run does not really happen when you guys invest your remaining coins into any sort of altcoins. However, guys, the bull market begins, or say the bull run begins, when fresh liquidity, or say fresh money, pours into the markets. Now this is this happens when we hear a lot of news and a lot of positive news regarding the cryptocurrencies, and when there is a particular phenomenon in the in the space that there is right now FOMO, and then everyone basically dumps all of their money into the crypto projects, raising its overall market price and raising its overall market cap as well. And that is the primary reason why we are waiting for a bull run, because if we gather our Kaspa tokens as of right now, we can take an exit when the fresh liquidity pours in, and then we can cash out at higher prices. Kaspa will claim its place in the top 10. I personally believe Kaspa has the potential to reach top 5 in the longer term outlook, because Kaspa is one of, if not the best blockchain out there to do any sort of transactions as of this very moment. Now, another thing which I want to show
Selling
you is
my
going to
Kaspa.
be from
So to
Kaspa
begin,
News,
the
and
first
they say
topic
that
is going to be
anyone knows
exchanges. So
which
these are
crypto
major
fair
catalysts
launched
that
coin is
are still
breaking all network
on the
speeds
horizon for
records
Kaspa,
by
which I
testing 10
believe
blocks per
will
second
increase its
while
value and
remaining
market cap in the
100%
future.
secure,
The reason for
fully
this is because it is
decentralized, and
missing
totally
over
scalable, and
6
can even
exchanges right
offer
here that are
transactions
pretty major.
faster
So we
than
have
Visa
Gemini,
and faster
Binance,
than MasterCard.
Crypto.com,
Some call
Coinbase,
it Bitcoin
Bybit,
2.0,
and
Kaspa
Kraken.
maybe.
So
So
currently,
yes,
Bybit
Kaspa is being
is the one
determined
that's been
as the digital
speculated to
silver of the
possibly be the tier 1
cryptocurrency space,
exchange listing that
and
we are
I
waiting
personally
on,
believe in this
but
meta,
we
and
still
I
don't
believe
know
this is
for sure.
something which a lot of new
I
investors
also
should be
believe that
keeping into
Coinbase
mind if you
is a
guys are
really
just
huge
getting
listing
started
for
in the
any
cryptocurrency
cryptocurrency because
space.
it is one of the
By the way,
biggest
guys, if you want to
exchanges
make
here
some
in
serious
America.
profits while
So
trading crypto,
Coinbase,
sign up for
I
my
believe,
free
also
trading group
won't
as
list
soon as
Kaspa
possible.
until
The link
a
to it will
lot
be down
longer
in the
down the road,
description.
simply because
Guys,
they're
the
usually the
primary
last
objective
ones
of my group is for
to
you
jump
guys to
on a
make
new
money.
and
And as
uprising
you can see, I
cryptocurrency.
mentioned all of
Now,
my
the reason why
trades
this is
right
still
over here,
bullish, these
which can help
listings,
you
is because
take a
every
very
time
good sort of
when these
entry
exchanges
points,
want
and
to
you
list
guys can
Kaspa,
make tons of
they have to
profits
actually
simply
buy
by
it.
copying
So
my
that means it will
trades.
increase
It's
its
completely
market
easy to
cap.
set up and something which
The
is
next
very,
thing
very easy.
is going to be
So make sure you
developments.
guys join up
So
as soon
future
as
developments for
possible.
Kaspa, in
Once you
my
join my
opinion,
group, you
are
guys are
really
also going to
bullish.
be getting
And
access to
like I've
technical
always said,
analysis,
Kaspa is an
various business
unfinished
opportunities,
project.
my personal
When you are
portfolio,
putting
and
money
there's
into
also a
Kaspa,
chat
it is
option where
a
you can
product
chat with
that's not even
like-minded people
complete.
who are
So we
seriously
really do
invested
not
into the crypto
understand
markets and are making
exactly
some huge
how
money
it
from the
will
space
get
as well.
adopted once
As
everything
always,
is
I'll catch you
done and
tomorrow with
everyone
another
can
video. Hope
use
you
it
all have an amazing day
exactly for what
ahead.
it's intended
Peace out.
for.